Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to do the long stitch. Now the long stitch is very similar to the alligator stitch in the fact that it is a one-sided stitch, so the back side is almost completely flat and the front side has your pattern on it, so it's good to do for things that only one side's going to be showing, like hats and sweaters. Now here is a look at the card. I'll show you the card again at the end, so if you want at that point you can pause it if you want to go ahead and try the stitch out. And it is another stitch, again like the alligator stitch, that has that kind of a heart shape in the stitch. So, and I already got this stuck on there, and I'm trying to angle it so you can see it easily. Because this one, you do something different on your way back. So you hit peg number 1, get a little closer. Alright, you get peg number 1 at the top, then you go down to peg number 3 at the bottom, and you're going to go back 1 to peg 2 at the top, and hit peg 1 at the bottom, and then you're going to go to peg 3 at the top. Now what you've done is you've created kind of a upside down heart shape. And what's different from this one than the alligator stitch is you're not going to keep going. What you do at this point is you go back and you pick up that stitch in between that you didn't get before. Again, get your top peg. This is number 4. Then you go down to peg number 6, up to peg number 5, and down to peg number 4 at the bottom. And you got another heart shape, and you go ahead and pick those up. So I'll just do the last 2 so you can see. Okay, so you got your way down, and that's how it looks like at this point. Looks like you have 4 upside down hearts with like some zigzags in between. Now coming back, it's a little different. Like the heart shapes are the same, but this time your zigzags are going to be facing the opposite way. So you want to push that first row down, and you come up back. This is your last peg, so you get that one and you go down and you trace your heart shape. You go up and you pick up. So you're doing the same you're doing the same pattern, but you'll trace the heart shape and then you'll pick up, and the ones you're picking up, it's going to be facing the opposite way from the one before. Let me show you a little closer with this one. Okay, so here we go. We're going to go behind this one because we're going to trace that heart shape, and then we're going to go ahead and pick those up. We're picking them up opposite. Go up, we're going to go under, we're going to trace that heart shape, and then we're picking up. And here we are back at peg 1. And this, you put the bottom over the top, and that is your cast on. So one row is, well, one row of this one is just way down, that's one row, and you come back, that's row 2. With some of these stitches, you'll be going down and you'll be coming back and picking up different ones, and that's just one row. But this one, it's just one way down is one row. Let me push those down so you can kind of see the pattern. And again, here is the pattern if you need to see that again. And this is your long stitch.